Joshua's toilet. I can't wait for Christmas tomorrow. Me too, me too, me too, me too, said everyone. Well, I guess it's night, so no one have bad dreams because it's Christmas.
Night, night.
Night, night, night. So everyone went to sleep, but everyone did have bad dreams because these Santa came. Wah ha ha ha. Wah ha ha ha. Wait, Spencer was seeing someone. I'll show them what's Christmas. Each of one of you are going to be doomed for Christmas and not have a nice Christmas tomorrow. I don't think so. Yeah, you're going to have a bad Christmas tomorrow. Ow. I'm creative. Yay! Yay! Thank you. Woohoo! Wonderful. These are Ten's assistant. Yeah, go get him, sister. Fine. What about regular chick kicks? I'll be down for the little chick kicks. Huh. I have the feeding him. I don't think so. Ooh, he defeated me. Yay! Yay! Thank you. Zoop! Zoop! Oh, and it's already morning.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Wow. It actually snowed. Wow. Actually snowed. Actually snowed.